The Last Kingdom's fifth season finally landed on Netflix this week, and after a nearly 2-year hiatus, fans got to see Uhtred, played by Alexander Dreymon, continue his journey as the young successor of Saxon earldom. However, after an action-packed fifth episode, viewers were left in tears after watching the death of a fan favorite. The historical series takes viewers back in time to the year 866, when the relationship between the Anglo-Saxons and Vikings was redefined, as well as showing the resistance of the Kingdom of Wessex. The series also highlighted the brutal ways key figures of English history often met their deaths. The most recent fifth season was no exception, as a number of new characters and fan favorites pitted due to the series. Most notable of all was the death of Osferth, played by Ewan Mitchell, which took place in the fifth episode. Viewers were first introduced to Osferth in Season 2 when it was revealed he was the natural son of King Alfred the Great, David Dawson. However, he was born out of wedlock to his mother Edith, who was a servant and happened to be Leofric's, Adrian Bauer, sister. As an illegitimate child, Osferth had planned to dedicate his life at the church as a monk, but Uhtred took him to service as he joined the protagonist's entourage. Over the years the two became close allies, as they had fought many wars together, and after a close brush with death in Season 4, Osferth stayed in Rumcofa, where he became a ladies' man. Sadly, Osferth didn't get the opportunity to settle down with someone or even return to the church after he met his brutal death in an unforeseen battle between the Saxon and Dane. It took place after Aethelhelm, Adrian Schiller, failed to convince Edward, Timothy Innes, to march into battle. Instead, he undermined the king by spouting off claims about the Danes being responsible for the deaths and they should get revenge. Aethelhelm's coup proves to be a success, and angry soldiers show up looking for the Danes. Finan, Mark Rowley, tried to get word out to Uhtred and the others about the ensuing fight. However, Osferth was stabbed and killed before the soldiers were pushed back. Fans who affectionately labeled him Baby Monk were heartbroken to say goodbye to Osferth and took to social media to share their hurt. Taking to Reddit, user Parfait_Fickle wrote, "He's gone and poor Finan sobbing his heart out. This is the worst death so far for me." Another fan recalled, "Gutted when he cried out, 'Please don't let me die, Finan.'" Phil Cycles 84 added, "Poor sod, I was heartbroken. Can't wait to see the hats of the series get their comeuppance." On Twitter, Novatura stated, "Give me them back PLS." It was supposed to be Uhtred and his three musketeers happily ever after. "I miss my baby monk." Zombie Guy 33 tweeted, "Absolutely devastated, mentally unstable, they really killed my boy Osferth." LittleMix_1DXXX agreed, "I just finished episode 6 of The Last Kingdom, and why are they killing off everyone? My guys Sigtryggr and Osferth did not deserve that." Other fans who had read the novels also shared they were completely blindsided, as Osferth lived longer and eventually helped his half-siblings rule. The Last Kingdom is available on Netflix.